Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Jio Fiber service and your Google account. This saves time. Log into My Jio or the router admin to confirm broadband status and bandwidth. Once done, make sure your device runs the latest YouTube app and is connected to the Jio Fiber Wi-Fi network. You'll need a valid payment method, UPI or card, so add it now. These steps prepare authorization and billing, which prevents interruptions during purchase, and they ensure the premium activation ties to the right account. You open the YouTube app while on Jio Fiber and tap your avatar to access subscriptions. Next, choose Get YouTube Premium and compare monthly versus family plans. Pick the one that matches your household. You'll see the price and trial offers, read them, then tap Subscribe. Enter or select your saved payment method, such as UPI or card, and complete the transaction. Once confirmed, premium features activate across devices logged into the same Google account, so sign in where needed to enjoy ad-free playback. You finish by verifying the premium badge on your account and playing a video to confirm ad-free playback and downloads. If premium didn't activate, sign out and sign back into YouTube, then clear the app cache and restart the device. These steps often resolve sync issues. If payment shows failed, check Google Payments for transaction status and retry payment, or contact Jio support if ISB related. One key tip: keep screenshots of receipts for any dispute. This speeds up refunds and support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.